One of the most popular hosting companies raises its price by over 500% the second your first year ends. I'll show you exactly which one and the 4 hosts that don't pull that move. Quick gut check before we start. Most hosting roundups online are still running 2023 data. Bluehost migrated over 1 million customers to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure between November 2025 and now, and got 4 to 5 times faster as a result. Hostinger launched an AI support agent that handles half its tickets in 50+ languages. If the video you watched calls one the slow one and the other the cheap one, you watched an outdated video. Here's what 2026 testing actually shows. First, speed. Because Google's Core Web Vitals directly factor page speed into your search rankings. In 2026 testing, SiteGround loaded pages in around 0.8 seconds. Hostinger came in close behind at 0.94 seconds. Bluehost landed around 1.1 seconds, still solid, just no longer the slowest name in the room like older reviews claim. All 3 comfortably beat the 2-second threshold that actually hurts your SEO, so for most sites, speed alone won't decide this for you anymore. Now, the number that actually matters long-term, renewal price. SiteGround's shared plan starts at $2.99 a month, but renews at $17.99. That's a 502% increase, the steepest of any major host. Hostinger and Bluehost both tend to renew around $13.99 a month, a much smaller jump from their intro pricing. Ionos, meanwhile, focuses on the lowest first-year price if you just need something running short-term. The lesson? Never judge a host by the homepage price. Always multiply the renewal rate by however many years you're actually planning to stay. Here's the part most comparisons completely miss. 2026 put AI directly into hosting support. Hostinger built its own assistant called Cody. It speaks over 50 languages, resolves around half of all support tickets without a human, and can execute tasks like DNS edits or plugin installs straight from a chat message. Bluehost countered with WonderStart and WonderHelp, an onboarding AI that asks about your business and sets up a relevant theme automatically, plus an assistant that answers WordPress-specific questions in seconds. Neither replaces a real human for serious problems, but for day-to-day setup questions, this is genuinely useful and something a 2023 review of these hosts simply wouldn't mention. So, who should actually use which host? If you're a complete beginner building your first WordPress site, go to Bluehost. It's been WordPress.org's officially recommended host since 2005. The longest standing endorsement in the industry, and its guided setup gets you from 0 to a live site in minutes, with full cPanel access if you ever want to go deeper later. If you want the best balance of speed and price, go to Hostinger. Plans start around $2 a month, running on Lightspeed servers with NVMe storage across 11 global data centers, so international audiences load fast too. It's the host I'd point most bloggers and small business owners toward by default. If your website makes you money, bookings, sales, leads, go to SiteGround. It posted the fastest loads in testing and the most technically sophisticated support responses of any host reviewed, with live chat replies averaging under 2 minutes. You'll pay more at renewal, but for a revenue-generating site, that's the cost of not losing customers to a slow page. If you just need something, live cheaply, and don't plan to stick around long-term, go to Ionos. It consistently has the lowest first-year pricing, includes a premium SSL certificate most budget hosts charge extra for, and even assigns you a named support contact who emails proactive setup tips. And if you've outgrown shared hosting entirely, high traffic, multiple sites, or you just want real cloud infrastructure, go to Cloudways. It's a managed layer over providers like AWS and DigitalOcean, billed by actual usage instead of a flat fee, so performance scales with your site instead of capping it. No single host is the best for everyone. That's the honest answer. Most affiliate videos won't give you, because it doesn't push you toward one discount link. The real question isn't which host is cheapest today. It's what does this cost me over the next 3 years, and does the renewal price still make sense then? Which one matches what you're building? Drop it in the comments, subscribe. I'll keep this updated every time pricing or infrastructure actually changes, not just when there's a new sale.